Hey, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I won't blame anything, only laziness and procrastination. So basically, I've had this video idea for a while and decided I should just go on with it. A layout in your maps is super important. It's literally the foundation of your maps and how it's perceived. If you have a whole map on one plane, it can feel flat or unintriguing, adding depth like high up areas or lower areas. A great example is the Derelict by Also Hyena. At first, you might think it's just a facility, but then you unlock this whole sewer system and it adds curiosity and intrigue to the map. Now the next part a lot of people think about, I don't really care about it, but I'll still talk about it anyway. Color coding parts of your maps can be useful to help point out areas of interest or block off areas. For colors, I use red to show fake doors or inaccessible areas, blue is main areas or more important areas, and green is less important areas or filler rooms. Also, what I usually do to not forget what to put in the rooms, I add notes in certain rooms to make sure I remember to add certain things. An example of a bad layout is log 1, my first chapter. It was really bad design, it was just a big loop, and it was really boring. A good range is to not make your layout too cramped, kind of like gallery, but also don't make it too spacious, like carnival. If your layout has loops, you could fix it by cutting it off with another room or adding barriers. This could help make your map harder and fix people looping the infected. Now to start with the layout if you haven't already. I usually go from the innermost part of the building outwards. It usually just helps me build longer because I'm dumb. Now your layout should have a main center area or an area of importance. This should be unique to the environment. You can make it big, or you can make it just necessary for the completion of the chapter. After you're done with the most important parts, make doorways, vents, and more to branch off from the part. If your main area is really big, I'd use medium to small sized rooms. If your main area is unique but small, you could use large areas like factories or jail cells to expand it. It all depends on the size of your map. In conclusion, this method of making layouts is really good. Or you could just do the lazy method and draw overlapping squares. Okay, goodbye.
Green screen effect.